Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today is the first class, that is why I will go through the English grammar. What is the grammar at first? So, grammar is a systematic study of the language, is called what? Grammar. So, in the grammar, I have taken the parts of speech for today's subject. So, in the last year, I have taught about the parts of speech in brief. So no need to get in brief. So I will give the rough sketch of the parts of speech in today's class. Afterwards, in the next video, I will go to the lessons. So according to the lesson, I will move with the grammar. Now you see the parts of speech at first. So watch the video till the end. After at last, you will get the notes for this lesson or for this topic. Okay, so I'll start the parts of speech. What is the meaning of parts of speech? What are the types of parts of speech? We will know one by one. So what is the meaning of parts of speech? At first, the words are divided into 8 groups according to the functions are called the parts of speech. What is the meaning of this? The words are divided into 8 category or the 8 groups according to its functions. That is called what? Parts of speech. So I will give you the example for the better understanding of the parts of speech. In our body, we have different parts. It gives the different functions also. For example, by the hand we can write or we can work. And by the leg we can walk. By the eye we can see many things, is not it? So these are the different functions given by the different parts of our body. Here also the 8 parts are there that gives the different functions. That is only we call what? Parts of speech. So in parts of speech, how many categories or how many groups are there? Means there are 8 groups in parts of speech. So which are that? I will explain you one by one. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So I will repeat it once again. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech. So no need to get confusions of these two. Again I will explain. Conjunction, interjections. So the pronunciation should be correct while you are pronouncing. So these are the 8 parts of speech. Now we will know about the noun at first. So what is the noun? It is a naming word. What is the meaning of naming word? It may be the name of the person, it may be the name of the place, it may be the name of the things, it may be the name of the animals. Everything is called what? Noun. What is the meaning of noun? Noun is the name of the words, the naming word. It may be the name of the person, place, animals or things. That is we call what? Noun. For example, Ramu is good boy. Tiger is a cruel animal. So in Ramu is a good boy. In this, which is called a noun. So in noun also we have different types. Common noun, proper noun, obstacle noun. The type of there are 5 kinds of noun. Afterwards I will explain it in a other video. But here this much is enough to understand the meaning of noun. So Ramu is good boy. In this sentence, which is noun, which is called as a noun. So I will underline the noun here, Ramu. And boy, it is also called as a noun. Next, tiger is a cruel animal. The second example, tiger is a cruel animal. Here which is the example, tiger and animal is a example for noun, because see here in the first example, Ramu is a good boy. Ramu. I said the meaning of noun is it is a noun name of the person. And also in the tiger, second example, the tiger is a cruel animal. Noun is the name of the animal, is not it? So noun is the name of the thing. The third example, table is made up of wood. Table is made up of wood. Here the table is the example for noun, and also wood is the example for noun. So different kinds of noun also we can see. I said before I will make a video of that the kinds of for the kinds of noun in the next time. Okay, so the noun means it is a naming word. It may be the name of the person, it may be the name of the animal, it may be the name of the thing, it may be the name of the bird. For example, peacock is our national bird, is not it? So here the peacock is the example for noun. Table is made up of wood. The table is broken. The pen is mine. The pen is the example for noun. That much is enough to understand about the meaning of noun. Next one, pronoun. What is the meaning of pronoun? It is a word used instead of noun. Instead means what? Badalu. It is a word used instead of noun. Why we use the pronoun? What is the use of pronoun? I will give you the example. For example, Rama goes to temple. Rama went to the school. Rama came from the school. Rama went to play the football, whatever. So how many times I have repeated Rama, Rama, Rama. So here many times I have used the name of Rama. So why we use pronoun means to avoid the repetition of noun, we use pronoun. For example, I can say Rama went to the temple. He came from the temple and he went to the school again and he returned to his home. I used he instead of Rama. So what is the meaning of pronoun here? The meaning of pronoun is we use the word to avoid the repetition of noun. Instead of noun, ನೌನಿಗೆ ಬದಲು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, pronoun ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ to avoid the repetition of noun, I used pronoun. Understood? Next I will give you the example. So through this example you will understand better. So they are good at sports. Here instead of Rama and Lakshman I used they. Rama and Lakshman I used they. They are good at sports. So I used they means it is called pronoun. Most mainly the pronoun means they, he, she, it, them, mine, our, we. The type of words only called what? Pronoun. So they are good at sports. Here the pronoun is the they. Understanding? Next, he is my friend. Which is the pronoun in this sentence? He. Instead of the name of the person I used he. So here the pronoun is he. Next, she is angry on me. She is angry on me. Here she is the pronoun. It is mine. Here it. This one is the pronoun. Understanding now? So once again I will repeat. Pronoun means it is a word used instead of noun. Why we use the pronoun means it is used to avoid the repetition of noun is called what? Pronoun. Next we will go to the verb. What is the meaning of verb? According to me, the verb means it is a heart of the grammar. Why I say the verb is the heart of the grammar means without the verb we cannot speak the language in proper manner. If we know in depth, then the depth knowledge of the verb, we can speak the language in better manner. I think so. The verb, that is very important in the English grammar. What is the meaning of the verb? Here it is an action word. It shows it is an action word. What is the meaning of the action word? It shows the movement. It shows the actions. For example, run, walk, sleep, eat, read, jump. These all are called the verb. So these all are the examples for the verb. So what is the meaning of verb here? It is an action word, or it shows the movement. Understanding? Next, I will give you the example. Shreya sings melodiously. Shreya sings melodiously. So here, which is the action words? Which word shows the action here? Shreya sings. Sings is the action word here. So verb, which is a verb in this sentence? Sings is the verb. Leopard is the fast running animal, which is the verb here. Fast running animal is the fast running animal. Is fast running is the verb in this sentence. Next, Anu teaches English for us, which is the verb in this sentence. Anu teaches. Teaches is the action word. There is the action for this word, or there is a movement for this word, right? So that is why the verb is called as an action word. So these are the examples for the action words or the verb. So dear students, I think this much is enough for today's class. In the next class, I will move to the remaining parts of the speech. So thank you.